Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the HLMP 012758121 HLMP 90mm Biled 2NDGEN Hilo DT SAE multivoltage. This powerful and durable headlight is a game changer for any vehicle, with a multi-voltage range of 933 V and a maximum output of 30 W for high beam and 20 W for low beam. The beam pattern is SAE's compliant, and the housing is made of tough die-cast aluminum with a polymer lens and PC lens. Material. The HLMP 012758121 also boasts a Deutsch-Connector for easy and reliable connection, and it has passed rigorous IPX9K, IPX4K, and IP5KK tests for high pressure, splash water, and dust resistance, making it suitable for even the toughest conditions. With approvals from both SAE's versions, you can trust that this headlight meets all necessary safety and quality standards. So, if you're looking for a high-performance, reliable, and durable headlight for your vehicle, look no further than the HLMP 012758121. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this top-notch product and take your driving experience to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.